What's up, you guys? It's your boy OG Super Sam 16 back for another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over the Tecware Phantom mechanical keyboard. And this keyboard is actually for my brother. I'm just going to be helping him unbox it and review it for him because, well, I'm the only one who really knows for keyboards and stuff. So I'm going to start unboxing this. But before I unbox this, if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and help me like the video. It really supports me and it really helps, bro. So please do either one. But yeah, let's get to unboxing this thing. Alright, I can't really show the front that much because it has my address on it, but when you open it up, you are given this. Let me move my mic a little bit. First you have the actual keyboard. Hold on. And just this. Oh, these are the switches. Alright, let me move all this stuff out the way. Now the real deal. Here we are. I'm gonna tear this thing. This one, I'm just gonna tear it open. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Now we have the keyboard. And from this angle, it looks nice. Feels nice. Ooh, I like this. See, compared to my current keyboard, that's the space bar. You can't really click the space bar or I'll cut it off, but and then here, I'm gonna put my mic a little closer. So then you have my current keyboard. So in terms of sound, I would personally say that this other keyboard is better than mine, and it definitely feels very good. So I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna turn on I'm gonna plug it in, everything. Yeah, comes with a what's this, USB or USB-C or something. Come off. Whoa, okay, that's nice. That is very nice. Okay, now it's on. Dang, and it's quiet. Yeah, this is very nice. Like, you can hardly, well, I don't want to say you can hardly hear, but this is quite a nice sound, if I do say so myself. And it's the whole thing too, which is nice. Alright, well, I haven't had one of these keyboards in a while. And this one has this. Oh yeah, in the back, what's this? Is this? Oh, this is to take out the switches and replace them if needed. I have one of those for my keyboards. Alright, so I'm gonna play some matches with this new keyboard, and it looks quite nice. I'm pretty sure it only has one color. I might be wrong. Alright, well, I'm gonna hop into some matches of Apex with this new keyboard. It looks like it only has one color though. That's fine. I got no problem with that. Yeah, let me check on the box. It seems like there's only one color. Hey, but I'm fine with that. Let's hop into some matches. Alright, after playing for a while, I realized this keyboard is definitely a W. Very quiet, it's smooth. Sorry I couldn't show any of the gameplay. My camera started bugging out. It's alright though. Yeah, but the keyboard is definitely a W. I'll put the link in the description of the video for if you want the keyboard. It's not that expensive, but I did get on, well, my brother did get on Black Friday, so the price may have gone up a little bit. It's alright though. But yeah, keyboard definitely a W. Looks great, sounds great, just overall a good keyboard. So yeah, that's my unboxing and review of the keyboard. If y'all want to cop it, once again, it'll be in the description. And hey, if y'all like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.